This lighting is not it. I don't know if it's the grunge look or what the deal is, but I look ghostly and pink. What's the issue? I don't know. But hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello. I'm Kyla and I make makeup videos for the most part, and it's like the main part of my channel. Sometimes I do other things like today where I'm taking all of my makeup off and showing you guys kind of like what I've been doing for my skincare. So let's jump into it. I'm going to be taking my makeup off today and then going through everything that I use. So the hat is going to need to go probably, at least for part of the video. The first thing I'm going to use is the Pharmacy's Green Clean. Can you guys see it? It's a makeup remover balm. But a lot of the stuff that I'm using, most of the stuff I'm using I've gotten in gratis. Oh, I forgot. No, I didn't. But some of this I've repurchased for myself or I've just purchased myself in general. So just kind of depends. This is one thing that I have gotten gratis multiple times and continue to use and love. Other brands make this. It Cosmetics made it, but I can't seem to find it on Sephora's website anymore. I don't know if they still do. It's a balm like makeup remover, and they work really well. And then Sephora makes one, but I haven't tried it yet. And Drunk Elephant makes one. Different brands make them. They just kind of like melt all your makeup off. I only use this when I wear makeup. I don't use it otherwise. I believe the directions say to like you can just wipe it off. I don't trust that. I always rinse it off and follow with another cleanser, if not two cleansers, depending on what we're dealing with. But it just takes everything off really nicely. But I just don't, I'm hesitant, so I always use something else as well. I'm gonna let this sit for a second though and really like melt everything off. But I'm going to go into the bathroom. I'm not gonna take you in there because the lighting's not very good. And I'm going, like the last time I wore makeup, I used this makeup eraser and wet it to kind of help wipe this off, and because I was doing it at the sink instead of in the shower. If I'm in the shower, I don't bother. But it helped me get like this product off easier. And then I'm gonna wash my face, and I'll come back and tell you what I used for that. Okie dokie, I am back from washing my face off. Basically, I used that Green Clean from Pharmacy, and that takes off most of my makeup. And I used this makeup eraser to kind of like wipe it off at the sink. Sometimes if I don't use the Pharmacy one, I'll use something like a makeup remover like this. I haven't really been using wipes anymore. I just don't reach for them. They're not very environmentally conscious either, but I just don't really reach for them that much. So this is the Estee Edit by Estee Lauder Dissolve the Drama. I don't even know if they make this anymore, and I've hardly used any of it, but when I have used it, I liked it. And so, like, I reach for this if I don't reach for that, but I haven't been wearing makeup a whole ton lately. Like, I've been wearing it more than usual, but not a whole ton. I'll use this and put it in my hands and just rub it on my face, and it kind of does a similar effect as that Green Clean one. So, yeah, and then if anything doesn't come off, I use the Sephora makeup remover, or Lancome has one too that's nice. I just have been grabbing this one more. So like under my eyes right now, how they're a little bit dark from the mascara, I would use this and a Q-tip and go over that and just get it off. This is like the mini one. They sell in a big bottle. I just have a bunch of these. So yeah. And then I use my Clarisonic. So after using that basic makeup remover and rinsing that off, I go in with my Clarisonic and a cleanser. So today I used the Skin Fix. Sorry, I think I said Skin FX in a different video, but it's Skin Fix. The Barrier Plus Foaming Oil Cleanser. I really like this, and when I run out, I'm going to buy a new one because it's really nice. It says, this luxurious creamy foam gently washes away dirt and makeup with sulfate-free coconut-derived cleansers, leaving skin hydrated, soft, and supple. This doesn't bring me out, I don't think. So, I enjoy it. And it doesn't leave my skin feeling super dry. Yeah. So, I use that, and the way I use it is I put that on my face with my hands and kind of rub it in, and then I go with my Clarisonic. I don't put it directly on the Clarisonic. I used to, but I don't anymore. Clarisonic doesn't make anything anymore, like the brand is out of business, but you can still find replacement little head things on Amazon. So that's what I do. And then so if I'm not using that, like if I'm not wearing makeup, I'll go in with the First Aid Beauty face cleanser. I've used so many of these. I think I got it in gratis a long time ago, and I just keep repurchasing it over and over and over again. And it's really nice. My face is really hot right now. I wonder if that foundation like wasn't it for me. Or maybe my Clarisonic, since I wasn't in the shower when I used it. Usually I use it in the shower. So my face wasn't as wet. But I really like this cleanser. It doesn't break me out. So it does me well. I enjoy this a lot. I use that one morning and night. If I'm not wearing makeup, that's my go-to. And then I wouldn't say I use it consistently enough to say I use it once a week to twice a week, but I have these two scrubs that I enjoy. I've gotten this, I think I got this one in gratis before, but I got another one, I used it all, and then I got another one in BOXYCHARM. I like it though. It's expensive though. It's like $80, it's $79, something like that. The Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion Pore Perfecting Exfoliator. It's nice. You wet your face and then you rub it for 1 minute around your face, not in your eye area obviously, and then you let it sit for like 1 to 2 minutes and then rinse it off, and it leaves your skin really smooth feeling. I wouldn't recommend using that and the Clarisonic at the same time. And then this one is, I bought myself the Ole Henriksen Transforming Walnut Scrub. I really like how this smells. It smells so good. Some people would say that this is like really abrasive because it has like pieces of walnut in it, but I'm not using it that often to be like super conscious of that. It has walnut powder and ginseng extract. I want to say that this has lemon though. Apricot seed powder, but I don't know. I don't know why I thought it had lemon in it. It has limonene as the last ingredient. So I probably shouldn't use it that much, but I really like it, and I wash it off right away, but it's the last ingredient, so it's not too strong in it. But I have on my bathroom mirror, I like write with a dry erase marker how often I've used these, so I write the last time, that way I don't use them too frequently, but I also am like, I haven't used it in a hot minute, I should probably use it. Scrub like this. Acids I put on there. When I wash my hair I put on there, and I think that's it. Oh, masks. So like if I do like a mask like I'm going to do tonight, I'll put that on there. That way I know like, oh, it's been a week or it's only been 2 days. I need to not do something, you know? Yeah, so I'm going to mask tonight. So we're going to put the mask on, and then I'm going to talk to you about everything else. This is the Origins mask. It's the Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask to Clear Pores. I like this mask because I feel like it helps me with breakouts. Anything with charcoal is going to help you with that. So I just painted on. This is a Real Techniques foundation brush. Any like flat foundation brush like this will work. And I just paint it all over my face. And I wait for it to dry. It's really creamy feeling, unlike the Glam Glow one, which I like as well, but I wanted to use this one today. I'm pretty sure I used a whole one of the minis of this. I do feel like it takes a lot though to cover your face, and I go over my breakouts that are on my jawline from the mask. And then my nose. While I let this dry, we're gonna chit chat. So the rest of my skincare is there's like 4 pieces left. So I would wash this off after it's dried. You'll see it gets like a light gray color, and then I go in with my moisturizer. I used to use like toners and serums and stuff like that, but I just, with how broken out I've been, I stopped using all of that. I was using a spray too that was helping with my Mascne, I guess. But I have stepped back from that, and I'm really like trying to simplify my routine and not use a lot right now. So really literally just cleanser, moisturizer, eye cream, sunscreen, is pretty much what I use. Like, I'm showing you like things that I use like once to twice a week, like not even, maybe every other week, like the makeup remover and stuff, because I don't really wear it that much. So like literally it's mostly just cleanser, moisturizer, eye cream, sunscreen is what I use. So once this dries, I'm gonna put on my Ultra Repair Cream. It's literally what I've been using forever. Like anytime I've done a skincare routine, it's pretty much been this. I have gone through so many of these. Again, another thing that I think I got in gratis the first time, and I just keep on rebuying it, repurchasing it. It's great. It is gentle and soothing, and it just works for me. I am dry, but I'm really sensitive, so I have to be careful. I've talked about that a lot on my channel. I can't use things with vitamin C, and I'm just really sensitive in general, and this is a really calm brand. Like, it doesn't have a lot of harsh things in it, so it definitely works for my skin. And then I use on my eyes the C Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream. It does have a vitamin C in it. I found that I can use C around my eyes, just not anywhere else on my face. So yeah, I like this in the daytime. It's my favorite eye cream so far that I've used is the one from Sunday Riley. I don't remember what it's called. What is it called? Sunday Riley. Autocorrect. That's it. I really like that one. Yeah, I really enjoyed that one. And then my nighttime one is this Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with avocado oil. Don't love it. I don't. It's super sticky, super thick. I'm just trying to use it up. I got it in gratis and I'm like, I'm going to use it, but I don't love it at all. And then for my sunscreen, I use the Dr. Jart Every Sunday Sun Fluid. It's SPF 50. It's nice. It works for me. It doesn't break me out. I got it in gratis, so I use it. Sunscreen's important. I don't have like a sunscreen that I love, so I have sunscreens that I don't love, but I don't have one that I love. So yeah, that's literally all I use. So I'm waiting on this to dry, and then we're gonna rinse it off, put on my skincare, and I'll be all done. So I'll see you guys in a minute when this dries. I'm back, and I'm a little annoyed. Our internet is down. Like, the company is down, and it's gonna be out for the next like 45 minutes, and I was just trying to finish my YouTube video that I was watching. But we're done and we're dry. See? All dry. So you can see how it got lighter, and then like the thicker spots are still kind of dark, but they're dry. So we're gonna go rinse this bad boy off. Sometimes I use that makeup eraser to take off masks too, because trying to wipe them off with your hands can be hard sometimes depending on the mask. So I'm gonna take this off, put on the rest of my skincare, and be good to go. Alright, I'm back, and my face is looking good. It's a little bit red, but it's okay. I wish you guys, I wish I had been in the mood to film more when my skin was really bad, like a couple months ago, because I was so broken out of here. Now, most of this is just scarring. It is totally smooth. Right here it's not, but it's, so smooth and, really evened out now. And it was just so bad before that I'm just really grateful that I've been able to help that. I still wear a mask every day at work at both of my jobs. So, I, struggle with the Mascne. My jawline is really bad from where it rubs. But I only wear my mask for one day, and then it goes in the wash. And I use a really gentle laundry detergent now, one of those clear ones, because I was getting I was really itchy all over my body, and so I switched to that, and it helped a lot with that. My skin just isn't as irritated in general. So yeah, this stuff is so thick. I feel like I have to press down on my eyes to get it to spread around, and I don't like doing that in such a sensitive area. And it gets on my lashes. Yeah, just the orbital bone kind of deal. But yeah, that's my skincare routine. That's what I do, take my makeup off, all that. So if you guys like this video, please, subscribe, leave a comment, like it. Hello. Check out my Instagram, it's at Make My Smile. I'm trying to post more on there. I promise I'm trying. yeah. Thanks guys for coming and hanging out with me for a little bit, and see you guys soon. Hopefully super soon, but I don't know yet. Yeah, I'll see you guys. Bye!